Hello everyone, this is my review of the Dongmuwujee solid wood small dining table. I like how compact it is when it's closed. It barely takes up any space, which is perfect for an apartment or a smaller dining area. But when you open it, it actually becomes a full table that comfortably fits multiple people. That flexibility is a huge plus. The wood finish looks really clean and modern. It doesn't look cheap at all, and it blends in nicely with the rest of the furniture. I also noticed it feels pretty sturdy. Once it's set up, it doesn't wobble or feel unstable, which was a concern I had with a folding table. Another thing I like is how easy it is to extend. The mechanism is smooth, and it doesn't take much effort to open or close. Overall, it just makes life easier. You get a space-saving table when you need it, and a bigger table when you have guests. If you're working with a smaller space but still want something functional and good-looking, this is definitely worth it. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.